A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. You vex with nobody? Or anybody vex with you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not click the subscribe button yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 5 from verse 21 to verse 26. Uno no say, then when tell uno father them say, no kill nobody. And nobody will kill nobody. Them a go a courthouse and the judge a go say them guilty and write them off. But here when me a say, just begs with uno brother or uno sister. And uno have to go a court. And the judge a go say uno guilty and write uno off. And anybody will shame them brother or sister and tell them how them workless and they sitting there. Uno I go have to go at the top judge them. And anybody will call them brother or sister one workless good for nothing fool. Hellfire I go reach them. So hear me then. If uno go at the altar, go give uno offering, and uno member say uno brother or sister vex with uno about sitting, uno feel left uno offering at the altar, no give it up yet. Go make it up with uno brother or sister first, and then come back, come give uno offering. If somebody they carry you go court, settle no argument pan the way. Settle it fast. Or the somebody might hand you over give the judge, and the judge hand you over give the police, and the police we go lock you up in a prison. May I tell you this? You never can come out till you pay up every last cent. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.